Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply English. Today we're learning 7 everyday English phrases that will help you sound more natural and confident in conversations. These are expressions native speakers use all the time, and now you can too. Let's get started. These are the phrases we are going to learn. Part 1. How's it going? Part 2. What's new? Part 3. No worries. Part 4. Take your time. Part 5. I guess so. Part 6. That makes sense. Part 7. Catch you later.
Hey, Mia. How's it going?
Hey, Liam. Pretty good. Just enjoying the nice weather. How about you?
Same here. Finally getting a break from work.
That's great. We should go for a walk.
Yeah, let's do it.
How's it going? Is a casual way to ask how someone is doing. Hey, Liam. What's new?
Not much, just working on a new project. You?
Same here. Work has been super busy lately.
Tell me about it. We definitely need a break soon.
Agreed. Maybe we can grab coffee after work?
Sounds good to me.
What's new when you want to catch up with someone?
Hey, Mia, I'm really sorry, but I can't make it to dinner tonight.
No worries. We can reschedule.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Of course. Let me know when you're free. No worries is a great way to say it's okay or don't worry about it. Hey, can you wait a few minutes? I need to finish this report.
Yeah, take your time. No rush.
Thanks. I'll be done soon.
No problem.
Take your time. To tell someone they don't need to hurry.
Do you think it's going to rain later?
I guess so. The sky looks pretty dark.
Yeah, maybe we should bring umbrellas.
Good idea. I guess so. Is a casual way to agree when you're not 100% sure. I think we should finish the presentation before the meeting.
Yeah, that makes sense. We'll be more prepared.
Exactly. Let's work on it now. That makes sense. Is a good way to agree logically with someone's idea. All right, I have to go now.
Okay. Catch you later.
Yeah, see you soon. Catch you later is a casual way to say goodbye.